In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Classroom classes. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sign in button situated at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the Google Classroom you need to adjust. After choosing, you'll be asked to enter your password. Do so cautiously and then click on Next to proceed. Once signed in, your next step is to access Google Classroom directly. But how do you find it among the myriad of services Google offers? Simple. Look for the Google Apps menu, you guessed it, located at the top right of the screen. It's symbolized by a grid of 9 dots. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various Google services. From there, click on Google Classroom to enter the platform. Now, within Google Classroom, our goal is to tidy up by deleting classes that are no longer needed. If the classes you're looking to delete are already archived, a good practice for classes that have concluded, you'll need to navigate to Archived Classes. This can be easily found on the main Classroom page. Upon accessing the archived classes, you'll see a list of all the classes you've archived over time. Each class entry has a 3-dot menu, or what is often referred to as the More button. Click on the 3 dots of the class you wish to delete. This action reveals a set of options, and among them is the Delete option. It's important to proceed with caution here, as deleting a class is a permanent action. Once you click Delete, Google Classroom will prompt you to confirm this choice. Take a moment here. Deleting a class removes all the materials, assignments, and discussions that were part of it. If you're absolutely certain, go ahead and click on Delete again in the confirmation window. And there you have it. The class is now permanently removed from your Google Classroom, making your list cleaner and more organized. A few tips before we wrap up. If you're unsure about deleting a class, you can always keep it archived. Archived classes are out of your active list, but can still be accessed if needed. Also, remember that once a class is deleted, there's no going back. So, double check that there's nothing you need before proceeding with the deletion. Deleting unnecessary classes can help keep your Google Classroom streamlined and easier to navigate, both for you and your students or participants. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to proceed cautiously to avoid accidentally removing valuable materials. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you manage your Google Classroom environment more effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful guides.